Hello, my name's Holly, I'm one of the doctors. Do you mind if I examine your tummy today?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. You don't have any pain anywhere at all, do you?
No.
No. Okay. I'm just going to have a quick look at you from a distance first of all. Can I get you to cough for me? Brilliant. Okay. I'm just going to have a quick look at your hands. Look at both, please. Thank you. Okay, can I get you to put your hands out like that for me? And just hold them there. Okay, and relax. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to pull down your eyes, so just look up for me. Okay, and look down. Okay, and if you open your mouth, and stick out your tongue for me. And put it to the roof of your mouth. Okay, that's brilliant. Could I get you to sit up for me? Okay, I'm just going to examine your neck. Okay, just going to have a look at your back as well. Okay, if we can get you to lie flat again for me. Okay, we can have a look at your chest and your tummy. Okay, so I'm just going to feel your tummy now. If it's sore at any point, can you let me know, please? Okay, I'm just going to feel a bit deeper now. That's okay. Okay, can I get you to take a nice deep breath in for me? And out. Okay, and again. And out. Okay, and again. And out. That's brilliant. Okay, and again, nice deep breath in for me, and out. And again, and out. And again, and out. One more time. Okay, that's good. Can I get you to just roll over towards me? Okay. And again, can you take a deep breath in and out? Okay, brilliant. And we just lie down flat again. Okay, just going to feel in the small of your back. Okay, I'm just going to tap on your tummy now. Can I get you to roll over towards me again? Okay, and lie down flat again for me. Okay, brilliant. Let's go listen to your tummy. Okay. Quick look at your legs. Obviously, I'd like to expose the full legs. No pain there at all? No. Okay, brilliant. Thanks very much for that.
Thank you.
Okay. I'd like to complete my examination by doing an examination of the hernial orifices, the external genitalia, and doing a digital rectal examination. I'd also like to do urinalysis and look at the observation chart.